Hey guys, I'm here to talk to you today about the 5 themes of geography. And so I wanted to introduce the 5 themes of geography in a fun and exciting way. Now, me, personally, when I think about geography, I can't help but think about Verdansk. So I'm going to show you the 5 themes of geography through the lens of Call of Duty Warzone. So the first one that you can look at is location. The squad leader will mark a specific location. You can see it there on the map in orange. Now what's going on is everyone in your squad, or if you're playing solos, is supposed to jump at that specific location. You'll notice that you're already moving there really fast. You're flying in like a C-130 or something. You're really moving quick. And so movement is taking place. So when you jump, you're now jumping at a specific location. Now, it might be a specific location, like, hey, everybody meet exactly on this one dot, or it might be like, okay, we're planning on going there, but it's relative, right? If something happens, we can totally go somewhere else, right? Maybe we're meeting at the fire station near the dam, right? And we're using the relative location in order to figure that out. You also have other options. You might say region. Region will come up when you're talking about like different areas in the map. So for instance, you can see here I'm flying over the mill base, which is kind of in a wooded forest region. So if I go up into those hills, there's snow, there's these thick pine trees, so it is an option. There are other areas, as you can see here with the dam, like the entire river there has frozen over, so it's really, really cold. In other parts of the map, it can be really, really warm, and so like if you go towards prison, it's really dry, whereas if you're in the middle of the map, it's sort of like this more temperate sort of climate. By the way, if you're looking here again, my parachute is another example of movement, right? So if you're in a car, if you're on an ATV, if you're in a helicopter, those all count as movement. Movement is when people or ideas or products move on the earth, right? So you can see, for example, I just marked a SUV. I'm moving towards that. This counts as movement. Running counts as movement. Anytime you're moving your specific location on the planet, that counts as movement. You can see here, this is a place. So I'm driving right by the prison. The prison is a specific building. It's right near downtown. It's kind of near the farmlands. It's a specific place. Similarly, over here, I'm heading towards the village right next to the farmland. That is a specific place. And if we actually look at this village near the farmland, you can see that there's a lot going on here. There is these little pastures where like cows are. There's these little dairy farms. And there's also huge farming. This is all human environment interaction. So if you look, you can see that these fields have been plowed. They've probably been planted with seeds, and there's a couple of sproutlings popping up. But essentially, somebody had to go out there and manually transform the land. And so this counts as human environment interaction. So Warzone does a great job of showing you all the different types of geography that can exist. Verdansk is loaded with just a bunch of different types of land, right? You have downtown, you have stadium, you have farmland, you have the sort of like the coastline, you have these, frozen mountains up towards the north. And understanding how this landscape changes and how to use the map in order to navigate and orient yourself is super duper important. So geography actually does play a huge role in understanding this. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you loved it, please subscribe. Again, if you're interested in this but you don't really play this, there's a great video from the singing history teachers. Mr. M went over Fortnite. I would strongly recommend you check that out. Thanks for watching.